OXYCLEAN Max Force Laundry Stain Remover. Spray now and then wash in 7 days. That's kind of cool. This is a twin pack that I got. So I guess you can have it in 2 different places. So you won't lose one, however you want to use it. OXYCLEAN Max Force. Get it. Sprayed some on these too. I don't know how these got there. Let's see if that comes off as well. Alright, it actually got the black marks out. Well, I should have done. I didn't see the stain. I should have sprayed that, but those black marks you saw earlier are gone. Pretty good. Alright, let's see if we can get rid of this stain here. Chocolate stain, I believe. Can't really put in the washer, so come on. Pump's not pumping. Okay. Not pumping. There we go. Just took a while. So I'm gonna let it soak for a little bit. This one I'm gonna do by hand because you can't wash a stuffed animal without issues. So let's see how it goes. I'm probably gonna have to manually scrub it with something, but hopefully not too much work. But yep, OXYCLEAN it. So I just washed it out by hand in the sink, and by hand, I didn't even use a brush, and then use a little hand soap. It's a little bit wet, so I'm gonna let it dry, but you can see that stain's gone. So hopefully it stays gone, but I think I OXYCUted it. OXYCLEAN, yeah.